Hey guys, Jay here and welcome back to my channel Just Jay. Before we proceed, please make sure that you have your hands washed, sanitized, and don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. This package arrived about a month after I ordered it online, and I actually bought it for 31 ringgit Malaysia. I was curious about what's its function and does it really work for a house, for your room. I initially wanted to buy only one humidifier, but then the second one comes with a promotion whereby delivery and also the price got reduced almost as half of the items, so I bought two. Okay, this one here was my first choice. This one comes with a manual, the power cable, and also the humidifying unit itself. It has two language manual, English and Chinese. The packaging looks neat, huh? Because I repack it after I sanitize it all. Safety first, guys. Safety first. As always, guys, please spend time to read the manual, okay? On the outside, there's a power button and the USB power slot is located behind, and in the front you can see there's also a water indicator slot, and inside the unit there is a cotton stick straw. Now guys, here's a tip: when you fill the water up, don't fill it all the way to the top, otherwise when you accidentally knock on it you might get a splash or spill and the water will start dripping out of the unit. And when you're done, plug in the USB cable and switch it on. This humidifier not only adds humidity in the air, but it also acts as a night lamp. You can use it for your kids or for yourself, for those who sleep using the night lights. This could be a good option rather than only buying a night light, and it only costs you almost the same price as a night light. For those party goers who can't go out partying at clubs, you can use this as your lighting. Okay, moving on to the second humidifier. This one is a little smaller than the first one, which is 220 milliliter tank, and like the first box, I also did a cleaning on this one, and inside it's the same as the first one: the cable, the manual, and also the humidifier itself. Now this model is shaped like a cat. From the front you can see there's a cat mouth type, the diffuser is on top, the USB and also the power button is located behind, and again inside there's the cotton stick or cotton straw. Again, please make sure that you don't fill it all the way up to avoid spill. This model is rather different from the first one because when you press it once, it continuously produces vapor, and when you press it second time, you can control the vapor for a few seconds and stop. This one just have one setting in it, which is just press and it just come out non-stop, and when you press it again, then you switch it off. I have reached the end of the unboxing session for today. Again, any feedback is encouraged at the comment section. Give it a like or dislike, and don't forget to subscribe and click on this notification button. And as usual, this is your guy Jay. Thanks for watching. Stay clean, stay safe. See you next time, and happy clubbing with your humidifier.